Welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how to create a single value card. Today, we're going to dive into multi-row cards. These cards let you display multiple fields within a single card, which is a great way to show more data in one place. Let's get started. First, select the multi-row card from the Visualizations pane. Now, add some fields to it. You can choose fields like subcategory, sales, and profit, or whatever data you want to display. Now you should see multiple values in one card. Next, let's focus on showing the subcategory with profit. To do this, remove the sales field. Now, we want to display the top 3 subcategories with the highest profit. To do that, go to the Filter pane. In the Add Data Fields Here section, add subcategory. Click on the filter dropdown, select Top N, and type 3 to show the top 3. Add profit to the By Value section, then click Apply Filter. Now your multi-row card will show the top 3 highest profit subcategories. You can modify the filter from top to bottom to display the last 3 subcategories with the lowest profit. If you want to change the title font size, go to the Format tab, select Cards, and increase the font size. You can also change the color. Then, go to the Style section to change the card's border style and color to suit your needs. In the accent bar, you can change its width and color. Let's add a map to demonstrate how the multi-row card works with different visualizations. You can use it with any chart, as it is compatible with all types. Select the map visualization, choose State as the location, Region as the legend, and Sales for the bubble size. Now, when you click on any bubble, the multi-row card will update to show the data for that state, including the top 3 highest profit subcategories. I hope you are now able to create the multi-row card, a versatile tool that improves data storytelling by organizing and presenting complex data clearly and concisely.